Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 29th of October. So we'll start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is Eurusd. So far on this chart, we had a resistance level around 1.18570 here. And then we also had another level at 1.19660. Then we have a support at 1.17063. The next level is 1.16200. So we expect price to either come back to this level 1.17063, or the price needs to reverse back up to 1.18570 and then continue up to around 1.19660. So technically, these are the levels we're looking at. We have a buy here if the price bounces off from 1.16200, or if the price bounces off from 1.17063, then we have a sell if the price bounces off from the lower side. That is, if it goes to this level, then bounces off from this point to the lower side, then that will be a sell. That will be a sell. So we have this here. We have a level here. We have a level at this price. Then you also have another level at this price. So the next chart I want us to look at, as it is now, this should be a buy from this point. Expect price to continue down up to the support which we have at this level 1.17063. The next chart is GBP/USD. So you remember yesterday on this chart we were looking for a sell. We started looking for a sell when the price bounced off from this level. We said that the price was supposed to continue down up to this support. So far, that's exactly what has happened. The price has gone nicely up to the level where we wanted it to go up to, and that is the supportive trend line. So if the price does break below this level, if the price goes beyond this trend line by the end of today, then these are the levels we want to look at. We want price to continue down up to 1.28920. Then the next level is here, 1.27188. So the price needs to break below this level, retrace back, then continue down up to the support, where if it goes below, the next level we want it to go up to is 1.27188. So the next chart is USD/JPY. So you remember yesterday while you were giving the forecast, the price was actually below this level. If you can remember that clearly, you remember that the price was below this trend line, and we mentioned that if the price does close below that level, then that would have meant that we are continuing downwards. But if the price had closed above, which already it did yesterday, then that would mean that we are now heading to the upper side. So as it is now, following the fact that the price actually closed above this level, we do expect a move upwards up to either this trend line or the next trend line at the top, the one we have at the top here. So expect a move upwards, expect price to continue up to this level here. If you pick a buy from this point, expect price to continue up to this resistance level. So we are still upwards up to around this resistance trend line. So keep looking for buy orders following the bounce from this level. Look for buy position up to this level. If in case the price does break below, that is, instead of continuing upwards, it successfully closes below, then we will be looking for sell positions, expecting price to continue much lower. The next chart I want us to look at is the Brent oil here. So you can see that we actually hit our take profit, which was set along this trend line. We had a sell from this point. We mentioned that the price was supposed to continue down up to this support. So exactly that's what has happened. The price has gone up to our take profit, which means we are now waiting for the next move. Either the price needs to bounce off from this level, the price needs to bounce off from this trend line to the upper side, or the price needs to break below this trend line, then continue down up to this support. So we have this support, we have the next level, and we have the next level, which is this one. So if the price continues down, this should be the correct place to look for a buy from. If it does break below this level, the next level is 34.594. Then if it does break below this point, the next level is 29.520. So these are the levels we want to look at. If the price does break below this point, then these are the three levels where we expect price to go up to. But if the price does not break below this trend line, then expect a bounce from that point towards 43.638. So the next chart is SP500. So this is bearish. Looks like the price is sustaining the bearish move, and we do expect a continuation downwards. Expect price to continue down up to the support. So today we entered a wrong trade here. We took a buy position, but then the price stopped us. So we took a sell. We do expect a sell could continue downwards up to this level, 37.3. So if the price is to continue anywhere today, then we do expect a sell. We do expect price to sell off up to 37.3. The next chart I want us to look at is gold here. So gold has been a sell, just as we mentioned. You can remember we were forecasting a sell here. We wanted price that after it bounced off from the 50% fib level, it was supposed to continue down. That's exactly what happened yesterday. You can see a perfect sell. The price sold off nicely up to below 23.6% fib level, and we do expect it to continue down up to the swing low, which is 1848.51. So keep looking for sell orders. Expect price to proceed to the lower side up to this support, 1848.51. So I hope that makes some sense. That's why we expect price to go up to this support, where if it does break below, then the next level is this one. So this is purely price action. We are not using any indicators as at now on this chart. So expect a sell, expect sellers to dominate this market up to 1848.51, where if it does break below, then the next level is 1810.34. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.